Yeah, previously we discussed about script include, but in that we need to do that some exercise on that. So here, so in the problem table, I need to do some problem manager role. So on the product owner field. So for this product owner, it was a reference field. So I taken this field as a reference and sys underscore user on the table. So on these fields, if I selected, so here 639 users is there. But for this user who has a problem manager role only, I need to display here. So this is the requirement now I need to do on the problem form. There should be a field product owner. So and user can only select those users in these fields who has problem manager role. So that is the requirement now I need to do. So here initially I need to take script include. So in this script include side, I need to take one class as a problem functions. So for this, I need to perform only on the class level only. So I don't want to select as a GlideAjax enable true. So for here only I need to do. So I need to get prob managers. So this is the function I need to take. So here I need to initialize. I need to initialize the managers in the string, the single quote format. So I need to take as a glide record. So for this glide records, I need to fetch the role who has the role. So for that, I need to use what is the role? Sys user has role. So this is the table I need to take. Add query. Role I need to initialize role only here. The single quote I will take role. So here I need to configure sys ID. So which sys ID I need to take? For that problem managers role. So I need to go with that roles. Under role section, I need to go with problem underscore manager. This was a problem manager. So here I need to take sys ID. So copy sys ID for that problem manager. Paste it here. So in that while gr dot next. So here I need to initialize p manager equals p manager. So I need to get the user from where? So here Need to take sys underscore ID IN. So whichever initialize there, I need to take here sys underscore ID in. So I need to return that values. So for this in the service now, so for this commonly we can use for that encoded queries or filter the records. So for this in means, so operator meaning match any of these values. So get those records from that sysids. So either whichever we need to take. So for this I need to configure on which field, on product owner side I need to configure reference qualifier. Yeah, here where it is. For this reference qualifier is used to filter records shown in a reference field. Whichever reference fields I'm using, product owner fields. So whichever show only active users, we can get that. So on that problem side, click on product owner, configure dictionary, configure dictionary. So I want to go with that advanced view. So in that advanced view side, we need to get that. So here reference is user. So use reference qualifier. I need to go with that advanced. So I need to write that, fetch that Java script colon new. And which scope we are doing the work? Which scope it is? Global. Global, right? So I need to use global dot. So what is the class? What is the class? PRB functions. I need to copy this and paste it here. And what is the function name here? Get PRB managers. So I need to paste it here. So save this. So before that, I need to do one operation on that problem role set script underscore background side. Then how many problem manager roles is there? I need to using glide record. I need to fetch that problem manager roles. So we should get a clarity on that. So where gr equals new glide record and that sys user underscore highs underscore role. So gr dot add query So for that, role dot name. So I need to get that name. What is the name? Problem underscore manager. Manager, right? So I need to gs dot info gr dot get row count using. So run script. How many? 3. So we'll check how many. 3 only. So where should we go? So again, problem dot list. So here, click on new. Click on new. So I need to get I need to get problem manager role. So click on the product owner. See here, 3 only we should get. So here, what is this? P managers. So again, save this in the product owner side. Okay, can we use it correct? So again, reload the form. So I need to get product owner of problem manager list. So again, so I need to go the script side. Under function, we managers sys user underscore highs underscore role. Here need to initialize comma. We'll see. We'll check. And again, reload it. Reload form. So 639 is came, but we want to get only 3. You want to get only 3. So in the script side, why it is not coming? We need to return the values. So that's why it's not getting. Click on save. Whichever return the values we need to get. Now I think we'll get the value. So again, reload the form. We need to get the problem manager role and click on think we should get 3 only. Why it is not coming? So reload it. Click on this. Yeah. Again, we should go the script. What happened? Yeah, that's why it's not coming. We are configured P managers also in the single quote. So this is the issue. Now save it. Now it will come. Again, reload the form. So now click on the product owner. Yeah, see here. 1, 2, 3. What is that? Problem administrator, problem manager, problem manager ATF. So this is the 3 names has problem manager role. So scenario 1 was completed. So now I need to go with that and that incident form. You go on that incident. So see here, click on create new and what should I do now? Go here. Here configuration item is there, right? So configuration item. So when we are clicking on the configuration item, I need to get that. See here I will see cmdb underscore ci dot list. This is the configuration item. Backend name. So here support group is there, na? Support group. I need to fetch that support group values. So here software is there. Na? When we are clicking on the click on the configuration item in the assignment group side, I need to fetch that whichever support group value we need to get. So now I need to script include side. I need to go script include. Script include. So click on this. So what is the scenario? When user selects a configuration item on the incident form, then assignment group should automatically set to that support group of selected CI on the client. This is the requirement. So click on new. Set support group. So here I want to work on that client script side also. So that's why I need to enable GlideAjax enable true. So see here. So we should extend abstract Ajax processor. So click on save. I need to give admin role for this. Yep. Now I need to go to I need to write function where cmdb ca this dot. So where should we get for that? So before that we should write client script. So from that client script only we should get na. So that way we should write client scripts first. So click on new. Set assignment group. Table was incident. So UI type, click on all. Type should I'll select on change. So I need to work on that. Which field? Configuration item. On configuration item. So now you need to go that script side where GA equals new. You can use GlideAjax. So what is the class name here? Set support group. So here we need to add here. So GA dot add param sys par name. So on the name side we should get. Then what is the function name we are called here? Get CI. Get CI. GA dot add param single quote sys param. What is that? Configuration item. We should get configuration item from where using new value. From that new value. So get XML answer we should use. So I will write here one function name. So with this function only using function populate group response. So here where answer response dot response XML dot document element dot get attribute. So and you should use. So save this. Save this. Then we should go to that script include. So where we are, from that get parameter, syspam underscore ci. From that configuration item side, we need to get that parameter values. So from that which table we need to get glide record cmdb underscore ci configuration item na. So gr dot add query. So on that sys id, based on that sys id, so we need to initialize those object cmdbci in gr dot add not null query. So we can use add not null query support group gr dot query. So if gr dot next, so we should return the value of support group. Now can save this. So we'll check. So what is the color? So align squanger. So this was previously worked on the color side. So that's why it was populated. So we need to get support group using configuration item, right? So we'll select see here, we'll check SAP payroll. Yeah, SAP. Click on save, we'll check. Yeah, see here. Database is came. What is the? So we'll check. Is that support group was database. We'll check here. Loading the page. See here, support group was database. So our requirement was working fine. So we need to work on this. So we'll discuss on next class and another topics. So keep practice on this. So okay.